Katie, I want to see yours first.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that.
Katie and Lily, the creative crew, they are best friends and cousins too. Color pencils, paper and glue. It's crafty fun time, creating with you. Sunshine, fun time, bright lights, creative vibe. Sunshine, fun time, bright lights, creative vibe.
Hey Crafty Crafters! Welcome back to Crafty Fun with Katie and Lily!
So today we are doing
Tie-dye! And Lily is showing you guys, and there's so much pretty colors on it.
Yeah, it looks like a rainbow. See? And we're gonna paint our own shirts. And so you are gonna follow us, and we're gonna go upstairs and get our own shirts, and we're gonna start painting it.
My grandma got us some t-shirts from Micheal's for only $3.50. They're on sale. That's a really good price. And then my mom got us this tie-dye kit, and yeah, we're about to do it. I'm gonna show you guys the shirts. First, before you start, you must wash the shirts. Let's go get them.
Yeah.
Come on, Lila. We can go back downstairs now. As you saw, we got the shirts out of the washing machine. We're about to swirl them up. So yeah, before we swirl them up, make sure that the back of the shirt is up and the front of the shirt is down on the table or whatever your surface. So we're getting ready to swirl. Okay, Lily, so you're gonna pinch it. And
I know how to do it.
And then just swirl. Then you're gonna keep on going the way that your swirl is going. And for me, that's this way. So I'm just gonna keep on wrapping this around. It's not the prettiest swirl, but this will look really nice when it's done. Guys, we're gonna open up the box now. Some people say it's satisfying, so we're gonna show you opening up a fresh new box. You gotta fold it down and then pull this up. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
Pull
I got it. Just.
Ooh, it's so beautiful.
Oh,
Thank you, Mrs. Unicorn. Thank you. Okay. Let's just go ahead and put these aside for now. We're not going to be using them yet. We need the rubber bands. Get out of here, Scooby-Doo.
They said there are gloves. Where are the gloves?
Don't worry, we're going to put the gloves on for in a
Thank
second.
you, Mrs. Unicorn.
Thank you. Gotta take the rubber band. Okay, so Lily, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Look, Lily. Look, so I'm gonna put 3 rubber bands on there. I'm gonna put one, I gotta slide under it, but it's kind of tricky. So if you need help, I'm gonna help you, okay?
Okay.
I think I'm gonna put it on this way.
Katie, can I have a little bit of help?
I wanted to show you this first, but look, I'm just gonna slide it underneath of the swirl. Oh no. Okay. Wait.
Katie, can I have a little bit of help with this?
Of course. Look, I'm just gonna put it on like that. I'm gonna hold it for you. Good job. Nope. Okay. Oh no. This is harder than I thought it would be. Okay. There we go. That's good. It's gonna look pretty when we're done. Okay, and then we're gonna put the second one on. Yeah. It's not staying together. We're gonna see how this looks when it's done. Hey guys, I'm about to put the stuff on. First, I'm gonna use blue first. Well, it's really nice how it just spreads on there, kind of like how markers are. It just spreads. And then I'm gonna use this magenta pink. Oh, never mind, it's more of a pink than magenta. There we go. And then, hey, why is this yellow over there? Okay, then I'm going to use some yellow right here. I'm trying to do this quickly because if the dye is out for too long, it won't work anymore. So yeah, we gotta go kind of quickly. So I put yellow right here. Then I'm gonna make it green over here. So first gotta add the yellow. I think you have to add the lighter color before the dark color. And blue. Oh, that makes a really cool turquoise or cyan. There we go. And now I'm going to make the orange over here. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. Yeah, let me just add the yellow first because I think yellow is darker than pink, and then I'm going to add the pink in. And it makes kind of like a... Yeah, this is really cool. And now I have to do the back. So I'm going to flip it. And then I did blue on this side, so I'm going to add some more blue. And then I'm going to add the yellow over here. And more yellow over here. And there's yellow on that side. So I'm going to wait until I do that. I'm going to do the cyan. And I'm going to do... I don't remember what color this is. Okay, yeah, this was an orange.
She's getting up.
And the pink. And now I just have to do the purple. I think I add the pink first this time. Pink and then some blue. Wait, never mind. I have the purple dye. I'm sorry, guys. Forgot I had this. It's gonna be a little bit darker over here. Make sure I'm getting it all the way in there good. And there, guys, I'm done. It looks like a rainbow. I wasn't trying to do a rainbow, but still, it's really pretty. I'm gonna put it. Thank you, Mrs. Unicorn. I'm gonna put it inside of the plastic bag. Oh no. No! It ripped. That's okay. That's okay. Now I'm just gonna put this inside of there. Like so. Leave it closed. I don't want any air in it really. And there we go. I'm just gonna squeeze some. You can squeeze it. Squeeze it, Lily. Squeeze it all over there. You can squeeze it all over there.
Oh, yeah.
Squeeze it all over here in this triangle. Good job. Oh man, the elbow. Wow. Oh, that looks really nice. It's like an orange popsicle. It's okay. And now that you're done with that, that's enough. And then it looks like you want a red right here. So let's take the red. Which one's red, Lily?
I think this one.
Okay. Looks like an apple red. Especially for the little green part over there. Good job. You're getting all nice in there. And now you can do the blue. Yeah.
The blue is warm.
Yeah, because Grammy put it, I mean, the unicorn put it with some warm water. Ooh. Splash me.
No, the pink was
And then I think there's one that's supposed to be yellow or something. Because,
Yeah, I think it's
yeah. Okay, Lily, you also gotta do the back too. Okay, that's enough. Now do the screen and then you're done. Well, but then you gotta flip it back. And then you can put it in the big bag and then in the bag. And then we can move on to our next craft. We have a lot of fun things to do today. Okay, now flip it over. Bloop.
Wow, looks so good.
Okay, now you gotta do red on here.
Let me get some red off. Okay.
Make sure to get all the way up here in the crevices, like a cherry pie.
Okay.
Good job. Now you're going to do that one. Oh, okay. You can do it in whatever order.
Wait,
as
what's
you
pink?
say. I think the pink is on this side, like right over here, in a tiny crevice. Yeah, it's really tiny over there for some reason. Okay, then do the blue.
Okay.
Do it all the way up here because it's white. You don't really want to see any white. Good job. And then do the orange. Ooh.
Oh.
Okay, and then do the green.
Where's the green?
Okay, you're done. Okay, now just put it inside of the bag gently. Okay, pull it inside the bag. I know we spilled some juice. Some juices. Okay, there we go. We're gonna take out the air for you and close it. And then in 6 to 8 hours, we're gonna check on this again, and it's gonna look super pretty.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
We really appreciate it. Hey Crafty Crafters, welcome back to Crafty Fun with Katie and Lily. Okay,
Guess what? So our shirts are finally done.
Yeah, they've marinated enough. Now we just have to wash them and dry them, of course. I want to take them out and show you guys. They're so pretty. Okay, let's take them out. Can you help? Yeah. They're so cool.
Oh, wet.
Yeah, it's still wet. We gotta wash them and dry them. Take my beans off. Wait, this splashed on me.
I can't wait to see it.
Ooh, this is-
Katie, I want to see yours first.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do that.
Whoa, this is a finished product, guys.
Well, let me see mine. Want to see mine, Katie?
Yes, of course I do.
Okay, let's go. Wow, look at this.
Amazing. Can you turn it around so we can see the front?
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Nice.
I can't explain how to like describe it, but it's so pretty. It reminds me of something, but I can't think of it right now. But it's so pretty. Bye.
Thanks for watching.